Hey, what's up guys? It's Fast Action Jax here at Panama City Beach Harley-Davidson on this beautiful, beautiful day. The sun is just now coming out. Perfect timing to show you guys something special, something that we did in-house, something that was done by one of our master techs. We took a 2019 Harley-Davidson Triglide and we converted the front end into a Road Glide. So for all you Road Glide fans out there like me, for all you guys that watch my videos, you guys know that I am a Road Glide fairing guy. I have always been a Road Glide guy. This is very exciting for me. This is probably very exciting for some of you guys out there that are looking for a trike and aren't a huge fan of the batwing fairing. We got the Road Glide fairing on here. Some of the advantages is it's a little further away. The windscreen's real tall, keeps the wind off your chest. I've always found that the Road Glide fairings are a little better for taller guys. It takes all the weight off of the handlebars, which is great on something like a trike. It has a fully custom steering stabilizer that was handmade by the master technician, so you still got your steering stabilizer here. It's still your 114 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 motor. It's still a Triglide in every way. We just took some time and custom fabricated this Road Glide fairing onto it. So if you get some time, come in and check out this beautiful motorcycle. Give this one-of-a-kind motorcycle a ride and possibly bring it home. We'd love to have you. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a rockin' Harley day.